Hi, I'm Jennifer Dunlap, and today I'm going to show you how to make an assessment with Go Formative. On the website, if you click the home button, you will see new formative as well as other assessments that you've made. Right now I'm working on one called the Taiga Forest Biome Exit Slip. So I'm going to click on that. Here you put the title of your assessment, and you can change it based on what you want the type of assessment to be: a benchmark, classwork, warm-up, homework, independent practice, lab, performance task. So you have lots of options here. I chose for this one exit slip, and so I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, and then you see I have added a few questions already, and I'm going to skip down and add another question so that you can see how I do that. Okay, so there will be a plus sign here. So when I click on that, you have lots of choices. Okay, you can embed, you can upload an image, you can text block, whiteboard, video. For questions, you have different choices: multiple choice, multiple selection. So if you have an question that requires more than one answer, short answer, essay, students can show their work, true or false. You also have advanced questions where they can respond orally or categorize, graphing, or resequence. So for this one, I'm making a multiple choice quiz. So I'm going to click on that one. All right, here you see I can duplicate the question if I need to. I can change the point value of the question. I'm going to leave it at 1 point for now. And then you can type your question out here. So the question that I'm going to type for this quiz is: some animals, mostly rodents, adapt to the cold, harsh winter by doing this. Okay. Now I already have A, B, C, D, but there's nothing written for each one. So I'm going to click on it and add to it. So this one I might say camouflage. You can always check your spelling later if you need to. Burrowing, migration, and let's say hibernation. Okay, so the correct answer is B, so I'm going to click on that, and it shows you down here with a key that you are choosing B to be the correct answer. You can add more questions if you need to over here, or delete one of your answer choices that you wrote. You can also, and this is what I like a lot about this one, is that you can tag a standard if you'd like to. So I already have mine set up for Georgia 7th grade science. So I'm going to click down here and choose the standard for this question as S7L4D, because that's the biomes one. All right, and now I have my quiz complete, or my exit slip. So I am going to assign and share it with students. All right, so here we go. Now I have my class periods already set up in here. So I'm going to click first period is going to take it, 6th, 2nd, and 7th. And then you can also have optional settings to choose from down here. I'm going to click assign. Okay, so now you can see that it is assigned to these students in these class periods. And then I can post this by getting a link, posting it in Google Classrooms, or embedding it into a website like Blackboard if you use that. So if I use a link, then this is what I want to send my students to. Okay, if I click on it, it'll pull it up. And it's going to pull up the one that I have because I'm already logged in. But if you preview it, right here it shows you what the student view looks like. So this was what it would look like on their phone, on an iPad. This is what it would look like, or on a computer screen. That's what it would look like for a student. Alright, I hope you learned a lot about Go Formative. It is really a great website to assess students with when they're done taking the assessment. You can view their responses and grade it that way. So very easy to use, and you should play around with it. Alright, thanks.